Well, if it is this day is a Sunday, it should display 1. If this day is Friday, it should display 6. We'll open our calendar here, and as you can see in the calendar, this day is Friday, and hence the workday function displaying it as 6. So this is the use of workday function. It display the number on the calendar of the week on which that date falls on. So it is falling on Friday, hence it is displaying 6. What if you want me to display Friday instead of 6? So you can do it using a text function, txt. You can write here the value of d1, and you need to give the text format text, and the format text will be ddd, which is used to display the character value of a particular day. So it is Friday, so we are using text function here. We'll again repeat it with another example. We'll write it here 06/06/2017, and we'll write the weekday function here, weekday of d4, of course, d4, and let's see what it comes. It's coming 3, that means it is Tuesday as per the weekday function. Let's check in the calendar, and let's move to the calendar of June, and June 6th is actually Tuesday. So let's use the text function here, text of d4, and the format will be ddd. You can close the parenthesis and press enter. It is Tuesday. So this is all about weekday and text function. All right, so till now we have learned about date def, we have learned weekday, and we have learned another function. Now we'll move to the network day function, and what it is. To display that, we'll first have to clear the entire workbook, and we'll write two dates here, 05/25/2017. I'm sorry for this, 05/26/2017, and I will write another day in B1, 06/06/2017. Now let's first write the function, and then we will understand what it is doing. Network days. All right, and the argument it is taking start date, end days, and the list of holidays. All right, we'll first provide the start date and end date as A1 and B1. We'll not provide the holiday list, B1. Okay, 8. What this 8 means? 26. It is a May is a month of 31. So 26, 27, 28. Let's open the calendar for this. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in June, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why it is coming 8? Socked? No. Actually, network days calculate the weekdays between two different dates. So let's calculate the weekdays. So we need to skip 27, 28. We need to skip it. 29, 30, and 31 should be counted 3 days. Now, this should be counted 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more date is 26, 8. So it basically counts the date difference, including that dates, and it only counts the weekdays. Now, what is holiday list in the argument? Let's quickly create one holiday list. 05/30/2017. Okay, let's see. First, 30 is Tuesday. Okay, and 06/5/2017. Okay, let us assume these two are holidays. We'll copy it from here and we'll copy it here. All right, so these two are holidays. Let's quickly write the network days function here. Network days, we'll give the argument as A1, B1, the day difference, and the holiday list. All right, let's give it. We'll give the holiday list as F2 to F3, F2 colon F3. It has already taken the holiday list. We'll write it again, F2, F3. We'll close the parenthesis and let's see what happens here. 6. All right. So here what is happening? We have already listed that these are holidays. So it is not counting this. It is not counting the weekends. It only count the weekdays which are left between two different days. It is a very useful function in most of the industries and payroll companies to calculate the working days for an employee. So it is a very useful function which you can use. All right. Now let's learn one more thing here quickly. As you can see that the dates are actually in a date format. Let's see what actually it is. We'll select it, this row, and we'll open the text formatting, and we'll give number, and we'll 0. We'll let, okay, what are these number, man? What are this number means? Okay, actually the dates are stored in a number format starting with 1st January. So these are the random number that Excel generates for a particular date, and we can also provide this number as the range of the holidays. So let's learn it. Network days will open A1, B1, and we'll provide this number range 42885, 42885, and we'll provide the number 42891, 42891. All right, close the parenthesis and visit presenter. 8. What is happening now? Okay, all right, so what I feel like we did something wrong. Here we have given the range. So what is the wrong? Let's debug it. The wrong is actually we are providing the numbers, not the actual dates. So we need to let Excel know that these are numbers, and to do that we simply insert few curly braces and colons, semicolons here, and we'll write here and we'll close the parenthesis. Let's see if it's work or not. 6. So this is how we provide the number format, because most of the companies do provide in numbers their holidays, and we need to sort it using this network function, network days, and we can do it using this. Let's again use the network function one more time. Network days, work days, and we'll open it. We'll write it A1, B1, and let's give the range of dates. All right, so let's give it as simply F2 to F3. We'll close it, we'll press it, it is coming as 6. So there are two ways to calculate the network days, number of weekdays, including or excluding the holidays. We can do it. All right, so this is all about date difference network. We have learned 4-5 different very important functions here. We'll move ahead in the next tutorial. Thanks for your time and thanks for listening.